Hello, I'm Stan. Thanks for watching my video up to this point. I kind of jumped ahead. I was going to video spray painting it, but I forgot to turn on the camera. But to be honest with you, it wasn't really all that exciting. But you kind of get the gist of how I made this thing. But you might be wondering, why did I make it? And I'm glad you asked. That's a pretty good question. The short story is, here in Dallas, Texas, there's an art show every year called El Corazon. It's curated by Jose Vargas, and it's all about the human heart and all that that implies. So how I came up with this idea was, a few years ago I entered this piece in the show, and I was thinking that if you turn this around, pointing out this way, and then if you blew into this end, and maybe use these as the trumpet keys, you would have a trumpet heart. So that's kind of what gave me the idea for this piece. So if you could give me about one more minute, we'll put gold leaf on this piece and see how it looks. So let me know what you think in the comments. I appreciate it. In order to get gold leaf to stick to your surface, you need to use a special kind of glue. I'm using Barnabas sizing. After about 30 minutes, it will turn clear. Then you simply put your gold leaf on. I'm using gold flake. And in case you don't know, it's imitation gold. It's actually brass, which I think goes well with the fact this is a trumpet. I'm just going to show you part of this. Not counting the dry time, this probably took about an hour. And I'll jump to pouring a coat of epoxy resin on it with just a pinch of gold mica powder in it. I'd like to thank you for watching. I'm trying to grow my channel, so if you're not already, would you consider subscribing or liking or commenting? Till next time, God bless.